Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video on this kind of new science breakthrough, especially over the last few years, that I found to be super duper interesting. So, this science breakthrough is something called xenotransplantation. So, what's xenotransplantation? It's essentially where you take some sort of animal organ, such as like a pig heart or a pig kidney, and then you transfer it directly into a person who needs some sort of life-saving organ treatment. And this organ is just something that grows in the pig. It's not something where you take out of a person and then grow it in the pig. And it's not something where you just like implant stem cells. So there's several like really big breakthroughs in this, especially in the recent years, that makes this a very potentially great alternative to people who need these important organ transplants instead of finding other human donors. So let's talk about how this works. So the most important thing that needs to happen nowadays is that you take a donor pig and we actually have to genetically modify the organs. So these organs aren't just pig organs. The problem is when you put like a heart, like a kidney, a liver from a pig into a person, like we're gonna end up rejecting it, right? Our immune system is going to see all the pig antigens, it's going to see all the pig proteins, and it's going to say, hey, like, we don't recognize these proteins, we got to get them out of here, right? And basically, this organ is going to be doomed to fail. There's going to be massive inflammation. The person who's probably receiving the organ is going to die. But there's several big breakthroughs that allow this to happen. The first of which is genetic modification. So these pigs aren't just normal pigs, actually. They're genetically modified pigs, where you take the pig antigens and you just delete them. And then you add these human antigens in so that you know the body knows that, hey, this doesn't look like a foreign heart. This doesn't look like a foreign invader in the body, meaning it's much less likely to get rejected. So, other than that, we also have something called immunosuppressants, which are just medications that suppress the immune system, say, hey, don't look here, nothing to worry about. It weakens the immune system as well and makes it so that these transplants are possible. So originally, the interesting thing is that the main donors used to actually be from primates during early testing, and that's before like CRISPR was like found out. And that would basically mean that hey, the organ might last for like a few hours or like a day or two in the person instead of when you transplant like a pig organ, which is so much less genetically similar to us. That pig organ without any immunosuppressants, without CRISPR editing, it would die within like minutes to hours, right? So the very first tests were with these primates. But as time went on, these primates actually became like a second model organism where we can take these pig hearts, pig livers, pig organs, and put them in there and then see how well the monkey does, and then use it as a model organism for people. However, nowadays, some of the early clinical trials, especially to people who might not be able to get organs otherwise, which is another sad thing to talk about as well, though, have been receiving like pig hearts, like pig kidneys, and such. Something interesting about these organs specifically as well is that some of them don't have like artificial organs, right? Like you can get an artificial heart, but you can't get an artificial kidney, right? So they fill a really great niche here that metal machine can't fully fill yet. Just wanted to share this with you guys. Just thought it was a really cool sort of new scientific breakthrough that you guys might like.